Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. Introduction to data. Data is a collection of raw facts and figures. CRM data usually contains personal identifiable information such as name, address, email, and phone number. Types of data: transactional data, reference data, business view data, and data warehouse. Types of data: transactional data. Transactional data is data that is created and updated in operational systems. Transactional data includes the time, place, price, discount, payment methods, etc. It is used at the point of sale. It is also including business documents created using master data like purchase orders, sales orders, etc. Reference data. Reference data is data without which no transactions can be performed, and it is essential for every organization. This data describes the things that interact during a transaction. For instance, reference data representing a product and a customer must be present before a transaction is fired to sell a product to a customer. Business view data. Business view data is generated from a data warehouse. These are calculations or summaries compared over a period of time. Data warehouse. A data warehouse is a subject-oriented, integrated, time-variant and non-volatile collection of data that is used to support the management decision-making process. A data warehouse implements processes for accessing heterogeneous data sources, cleaning, filtering and transforming data, and storing data in a structure that is easy to access, understand and use. This data can be used for query, reporting and data analysis purposes. A data warehouse is a collection of data that supports decision-making processes. Features of a data warehouse: subject-oriented, integrated and consistent, and shows its evaluation over time. Identifying data quality issues. Ideally, data would be completely accurate. However, data accuracy incurs high costs. Data are captured, entered, integrated and analyzed at various moments. Any or all of these processes could cause inaccuracies. Keystroke mistakes can cause errors during data entry. Inappropriate analytical processes can lead to ill-founded conclusions. Features of qualitative data: accuracy, freshness, completeness, consistency, availability, traceability, clearness. Issues related to data quality: data deterioration, lack of customer trust, and improper sources of data collection. Tools to manage data. CRM tools should be integrated into a system as seamlessly as possible and be made a natural part of the customer service interaction. CRM tools help the company identify valuable customers and prompt the company to notice them and create an extended relationship with them. The most commonly used tools in data mining are artificial neural networks, nonlinear predictive models that learn through training with a structure similar to biological neural networks, genetic algorithms, optimization techniques that use process such as genetic combination mutation and natural selection in a manner similar to natural evolution. Decision trees, tree-shaped structures that represent sets of decisions that generate rules for the classification of a data set. Examples of decision tree methods are classification and regression tree, CART, and chi-square automatic interaction detection, CHAID. Nearest neighbor method, a technique that classifies each record in a data set based on a combination of the classes of the K record or records most similar to it in a historical data set. This is also called the K nearest neighbor technique. Rule induction, the extraction of useful if-then rules from data based on statistical significance. And data visualization, the visual interpretation of complex relationships in multi-dimensional data using graphics tools. Let's look at an example of Future Group's strategy of managing data. Kishore Biani, chairman of Future Group, uses Manthan Analytics to analyze data from the 1,000 odd stores owned by his company. What is the tie-up about? Future Group has a strategic partnership with Manthan Analytics. They provide analytics-based business innovation and engagement. With the hyper-localized views of customer demand that these analytics provide, Future Group is able to tailor assortments, inventory, replenishment, marketing promotions, and store engagement to meet the unique needs of markets and stores. How does it help Future Group? By making decisions faster and more precise, stockouts can be reduced by 7 to 9%. An average of 5 to 7% in lost sales can be recovered, and 10 to 12% reduction in churn can be achieved. Manthan's analytic tracks more than 10 million customer transactions in a month from over 13,000 product brands and 3,000 suppliers, giving Future Group precise, real-time and actionable information in over 370 stores across 166 cities nationwide. The activities of over 25 million loyal customers and their transactions are tracked in Manthan's data warehouse. Some of Manthan's analytics products that Future Group uses are Merchandise Analytics for store merchandise assortment planning, replenishment and pricing, Vendor Link for supply process visibility and supplier collaboration, Customer 360 for behavioral segmentation and targeted marketing, E-commerce Analytics to identify path to purchase and channel contribution, and GPS and 3RDI for guided analytics and decision execution. Let's look at an example of Maruti's data management. Maruti Suzuki aiming for greater leadership in India. What is the case about? Maruti Suzuki India Limited, MSIL, has decided to tap into its vast customer data more effectively and strategically to generate a minimum sales figure of 2 lakh cars per annum by 2020. MSIL sold 65,000 cars in 2015 and 16 through analytics-based CRM. It presently has a database of 15 million customers, of which 12 million are unique. How does the data help Maruti? MSIL relies more on analytics and database marketing to maintain its leadership position in the country. MSIL captures information and data related to customers from the first contact point, and it is one of the earliest adopters of a data analytics-based model in the automobile industry. This information is used for customer profiling, customer retention, and even other product innovations. MSIL used its CRM model to extend auto gear shift technology from the Celerio to other models like the Desire, Wagoner, and Alto. The data analytics helps MSIL identify business trends and gain valuable insights. For instance, 46% of its customers are first-time buyers, and replacement and additional car buyers make up 27% each. This data also helps in identifying customers who are ready to change or upgrade their cars. Conclusion. According to Sanjeev Handa, the Vice President Marketing at MSIL, this process currently accounts for around 5% of the annual sales figures for the company, and it will increase to 10% within 4 years. Stay tuned for more videos on marketing. Thank you.